Hello students, welcome to SP Sir channel. I hope you all are fine and good at stay home. Okay, so today we have studied class 10 science syllabus. Okay, so today we have seen class 10 science syllabus. So in our science class 10 they are divided into main four parts, in which first one is known as a chemistry, second one biology, third one physics, and fourth one environmental environmental science. Okay, so these are main four part of our science: chemistry, biology, physics, and environmental science. Okay, and in our class 10 there are mainly 16 chapter in our syllabus, in which chemistry have 1 to 5 chapters, biology 6 to 9 chapters, physics 10 to 13 chapter, and in environmental science there are 14 to 16 chapter. So now we have first see in chemistry. So in chemistry there are 5 chapter, and the name are: in first one chemical reactions and equations. This is our first chapter of chemistry, chemical reactions and equation, and the weightage of this chapter is 4 mark. Then second one is known as acid, base, and salt. Okay, acid, base, and salt, and the weightage of this chapter is 6 mark. Then third one metals and non-metals. Third one is metals and non-metals. The weightage of this chapter is 5 mark. Then fourth one carbon and its compounds. Okay, fourth one name is carbon and its compound, and the weightage of this chapter is 6 mark. And fifth one, this is the last chapter of our chemistry session, and it is a periodic classification periodic classification of elements. Periodic classification of element, and the weightage of this chapter is 4 mark. It means total weightage of chemistry is 6 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4. It means 25 marks. So the total weightage of chemistry is 25 marks. Now we have start second one is a biology. Okay. In biology, the sixth one, the name of chapter is life processes. Okay, life processes, and the weightage of this chapter is 6 mark. Then seventh one, the name of this chapter is control and coordination. Control and coordination, and the weightage of this chapter is 5 mark. Then eighth one, the name of this chapter is how do organisms reproduce. How do organisms reproduce, and the weightage of this chapter is 6 mark. Then ninth one, the name of this chapter is heredity and evolution. Heredity and evolution, and the weightage of this chapter is 5 mark. So the total weightage of biologist chapter is 6 plus 5 plus 6 plus 5. It means 22 marks. It means biology weightage 22 marks. Then our third portion is physics. The name of first chapter in physics is 10th one, light reflection and refraction. Okay. Light reflection and refraction. The weightage of this chapter is 6 mark. Then 11th one, the name of this chapter is human eye and colorful world. The weightage of this chapter, human eye and colorful world, is 5 mark. Then next chapter is 12th one. It is a electricity. The weightage of electricity is 6 mark. The third one, magnetic effects of electric current. Okay, magnetic effects of electric current, and weightage of this chapter is 6 mark. So the total weightage of physics portion is 6 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6. It means 23 mark. So total weightage of this chapter is 23, all the chapter. It means physics portion is 23 mark weightage. Now last portion, and it's called as it is environmental science. Here 14th chapter, and the name is sources of energy. Sources of energy, and the weightage of this chapter is 4 mark. Then our 15th chapter, and the name of this 15th chapter is our environment. Our environment. The weightage of this chapter is 3 mark. The last chapter is 16. The name is sustainable management of natural resources. Sustainable management of natural resources. And the weightage of this chapter is 3 marks. So the total weightage of environmental science is 4 plus 3 plus 3. So it is a 10 mark. So environmental science weightage is 10 marks. So now students, we saw all the weightage in which first chemistry, next physics, third biology, and fourth environmental science. So first weightage of chemistry is total 25 marks. Then the physics is 23 marks. Biology it is 22 marks. And last environmental science it is 10 marks. So total mark is 25 plus 23 plus 22 plus 10 mark. It means 80 marks. So our board paper will be total 80 marks. Thank you for showing this video. Thank you.